Welcome to MFN 20 TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Moroka Swallow 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by fan. My brother Kamaba and Puma Gupi. Hey, I'm a Paruna Nilenga came here today.
What's that game today? Nearly soft. What's that? Soft. The Tabino Chiefs in Gansari Gay. One more on Fit Wapakile. I can say Abachim. No, Abachim. Mabasa. Our Bulay. Mabasu Bulay. Player. Get butter. Number 16 going to let's give me 40. Come on, guys. Man of the match. Quantum Goya. Quantum.